Living in the city doesn't mean sacrificing your green thumb. Urban living can be the perfect opportunity to explore innovative gardening solutions that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Vertical gardens are the perfect solution for urban dwellers yearning for a connection with nature. These gardens allow you to maximize your space by growing plants upwards rather than outwards, making them ideal for city environments where space is at a premium. These innovative gardens bring life and beauty to small spaces, transforming balconies, walls, and rooftops into flourishing ecosystems. One of the biggest advantages of vertical gardens is their ability to thrive in limited areas. They make it possible to cultivate a variety of plants, from flowers and herbs to vegetables and succulents, even in the smallest of spaces. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a concrete patio, you can still enjoy the pleasures of gardening. Vertical gardens can be customized to fit any space, allowing you to create a personal green haven no matter where you live. Vertical gardens also offer a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. They provide a serene environment where you can unwind and reconnect with nature, right in the heart of the urban jungle. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony and being greeted by a cascade of fragrant flowers or a wall of fresh herbs. The sensory experience of a vertical garden can be incredibly rewarding, offering both visual and aromatic delights. But the benefits of vertical gardening extend beyond aesthetics. These gardens can improve your quality of life in numerous ways, from enhancing your mental well-being to providing fresh, homegrown produce. These green walls can help reduce air pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They act as natural air purifiers, making your living environment healthier and more pleasant. They can also act as natural insulators, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. This not only makes your living space more comfortable but can also help reduce energy costs. Vertical gardens are surprisingly easy to maintain, even for novice gardeners. With the right choice of plants and a little regular care, you can keep your vertical garden thriving with minimal effort. With a little planning and effort, you can create a thriving vertical garden that will bring joy for years to come. The sense of accomplishment and the beauty of a well-maintained garden are truly unparalleled. So why wait? Start planning your urban oasis today. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, vertical gardens offer a unique and fulfilling way to bring nature into your city life. Embrace the challenge and transform your urban space into a green sanctuary. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a successful vertical garden. Not all plants thrive in a vertical environment, so it's important to choose varieties that are well suited to this unique growing method. Herbs are an excellent choice for vertical gardens. Their compact size and shallow roots make them ideal for vertical structures. Popular herbs like basil, mint, oregano, and thyme not only add beauty, but also provide fresh ingredients for your culinary creations. Leafy greens are another great option. Lettuce, spinach, and kale grow quickly and can be harvested repeatedly. Before you start building your vertical garden, choose the right location. This decision will impact your garden's success. Observe how sunlight moves across your space. Most vegetables and flowering plants need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. South-facing areas receive the most sunlight, perfect for sun-loving plants. If your space is shadier, consider shade-tolerant plants like leafy greens and herbs. Plan your garden layout carefully. Sketch your ideas and ensure adequate spacing for optimal growth. Reflect your personal taste in your garden's design. Get creative and add unique elements. Imagine enjoying a cup of tea in your beautifully designed vertical garden. Happy gardening. Start by measuring the dimensions of your balcony or patio. Knowing the exact size of your space will help you plan more effectively. Research different vertical garden ideas online. There are countless designs and structures to choose from, so find one that suits your style and space. Visit your local garden center to get inspiration and purchase the necessary supplies. Talk to the experts there for advice on the best plants for your garden. Once you have your plan and supplies, it's time to start building. Install your vertical garden structure and begin arranging your planters. Plant your herbs and vegetables carefully, ensuring each plant has enough space to grow. Water them regularly and monitor their progress. Add decorative elements to your garden to make it more inviting. Hang lights, ornaments, or even small pieces of art to personalize your space. Finally, take the time to enjoy your vertical garden. It's not just a place for plants, but a sanctuary for you to relax and unwind. Happy gardening. Building your green wall, a step-by-step guide to vertical garden structures. We'll walk you through creating your own vertical garden, from selecting materials to ensuring functionality and aesthetics. Start building your structure, transforming your vision into a living part of your space. Choose from DIY projects to prefabricated systems, each with its own benefits and challenges. Repurposed materials save money and add a unique touch. Pre-made kits offer ease of use and come with everything you need. These systems often include built-in irrigation for easy watering. Living walls transform spaces into lush green oases. Ensure your structure is sturdy to support plants, soil, and water. With the right care, your vertical garden can be a beautiful, sustainable addition. Select a variety of plants to create a vibrant and diverse garden. Vertical gardens are perfect for small spaces like balconies and patios. Grow your own herbs and vegetables for a fresh, homegrown touch. Add lighting to your vertical garden for a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Incorporate water features for a soothing, tranquil effect. With creativity and care, your vertical garden will thrive and enhance your urban space. Section 5. Planting your vertical paradise, tips for a thriving garden. Once your vertical garden structure is complete, it's time for the most exciting part, planting. Proper planting techniques are essential for ensuring your plants thrive in their vertical environment. Begin by selecting high-quality potting mix specifically designed for containers. When planting in your vertical garden, be gentle with the roots. Water your newly planted vertical garden thoroughly, ensuring the water reaches the roots of all plants. Fertilize your vertical garden regularly to provide the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer